How's it going, everyone? It's Emmanuel here on a rainy Sunday afternoon in Yamaguchi. Um, Here with another little dev video, one that is going to talk a little bit on the art. So I'm just going to have at it as the time lapse go. So I decided to begin making the the 3D versions of the characters, because in the last dev video, remember, I was using a stock model off of Mixamo, using that, and also stock animations. But I decided to, while early in the game, in the process, let me begin building the 3D models at the same rate as the game is being developed. So that's what I did with Yuzuki. So as you see, I'm building Yuzuki out of Blender, and later I used Substance Painter to do the colors. And instead of modeling and sculpting her whole model, I'm just going to do the same thing. Like right now, I'm working on Alpha Build 0. So her model is Yuzuki's Alpha 0 model. And the same will go for enemies when I make them. But for right now, the enemies will use Yuzuki's model, but just have a different color palette. So, and before I used Blender, I was using Maya, because that's what was first introduced to me in college. Then after that, I taught myself sculpting, modeling, UVing, all that stuff. So I stuck with Maya because, you know, it was and still is like an industry standard, so I wanted to learn it. But now I've switched to Blender, mainly because of future like when I finish this game and any game in the future, just it's easier, you know, if my games make any money or whatnot, you know, licensing and stuff, like it's just easier business wise. That's what I really like about Blender. But next, I'm still learning certain things with Blender, but I like it so far. And the tutorials that I follow, I think it's Blender Guru. I'll put a link to his channel in the description. You go check him out. He helps out a great deal. But so that's what's going on. I have come up with the basic enemy look. I just need to decide which color palettes, and I'll show little screenshot images of the artwork for them, and also a splash art of Yuzuki versus one of the bosses. Well, the boss that you're looking at, she might be the boss in the playable demo. But I'll decide that at some point. But that's pretty much it for this one. Shorter. My next devlog I'll show you the process that I have so far, which has been pretty good. I pretty much have a working gameplay. Not ready. I mean, ready for people to play, but not so. But you'll see it when I post out. So appreciate you checking out the video, and if you have any questions or concerns or any ideas, drop a comment below. So have a good day, good evening, good night, wherever you are, and take it easy.